Masha here from Masha Plans, and today we'll be creating a really fun page which I call a comfy list. With the weather getting a little bit colder, I felt like it might be a fun idea to create a page with different comfort things that make you just feel so warm and fuzzy. And of course, there is a blog post with a freebie, so be sure to check the description. Okay, let's get planning.
For the supplies, I am using my Archer and Olive journal, some zebra mind liners, and some stickers and washi tapes from monthly kits. Everything will be linked in the blog post, so be sure to check that. The link is in the description. So we're starting with a header, but as you can see, I already kind of pre-planned some things. So the way I did it is, first of all, I thought of the things that kind of make me happy when I'm feeling sad, or some things that kind of bring me comfort. So for me, it was drinks, snacks, and food, but also like TV shows, movies, and cartoons. I wanted to include books here, but I kind of wanted to make this more of a quick fix list. So something I can do pretty fast. And for me, books is usually something that takes a little bit more time. And it's not like I can read the whole book in just a few hours and feel better. So that's why books are not here. But yeah, so basically I started from choosing categories. Then for each category, I created a header with a little doodle. And there is a little tutorial for some of these doodles in the blog post, so be sure to check that in the description as well. And then when I was actually planning out this page, I kind of already had some ideas on the things I wanted to add. So secretly, I more or less measured to make sure that I can fit all the things that come to my mind. So I can fit everything in each category. And I think I did miscalculate eventually. I definitely have more comfort movies. But hey, I can just use it as an excuse to create more spreads with kind of more details. For this one, we can just do whatever is the first that comes into the mind. But if you do want to make it like your final list, I recommend you to create a full list before making this spread. So kind of like a prep work, so you know that you don't miss out on anything. What I like the most about this list and this format is that actually I didn't have to worry about empty space. So you'll see me now filling it out, and you'll see how the space is not really divided equally. Like some lines are longer, some lines are shorter, and it would have really bothered me, but since we decided to use stickers here, I'm kind of fine with it, because I know in the end, whatever empty space I end up with, I can just add stickers there, and that's exactly what I'm going to do for this page. So I think for me, when I was creating this, it was very important to make it fun, bright, and happy. And I think the fact that I use bright colors and washi and stickers and made it very decorative, it really helped to create this positive attitude, which I think is very important, because this is a page that makes you happy. This is a page that helps you to feel better when you don't really feel like smiling. Yeah, that was the idea, and I think it came out great. Be sure to check the free printable in the blog. The link is in the description, so that you can start on your list of comfort things right away.